Give rocket speed to an old laptop or desktop. This laptop boots up within 12 seconds when its HDD got replaced with an SSD. Welcome to another video from softechonline. Replacing the old HDD with an SSD will boost up the speed of any laptop or desktop by many folds. This video will show you how to replace the HDD with an SSD on your laptop. First, remove the battery from the laptop. Open the HDD chamber by removing its screws. Pull out the HDD like this. Remove the 4 screws. Get any SSD of your choice, the link is provided in the description. We can see the connectors on both the HDD and SSD are the same, so the SSD will directly fit in the chamber. Make sure the SSD is properly fixed. Connect the USB bootable pendrive and start the laptop. If you don't have a bootable pendrive, watch the video on the I button above to download Windows 10 and make a bootable pendrive. Select the pendrive to boot. This boot option will show by pressing the escape key or F10 etc. while booting, as per your laptop model. Complete the OS installation. Once done, the laptop will boot up in no time. Now to use the old HDD along with this SSD. Get a caddy case for fixing the old HDD, and use it in place of your CD drive. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos.